How to build a successful blog from scratch. Here's a fact most people don't know. Over 95% of blogs fail within the first year. Not because the topic was bad. Not because the idea wasn't good. But because the person behind it had no roadmap. They didn't know what to focus on, how to grow, or how to turn traffic into income. If you're thinking of starting a blog, or if you've already started and feel stuck, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a successful blog from zero. No expensive tools. No fake promises. Just real steps that actually work. You'll learn how to choose the right topic, set up your blog, write content that people actually want to read, and how to grow your audience without spending thousands on ads. And at the end of this video, I'll share the biggest mistake most new bloggers make, the one that almost guarantees failure. Stick around, because avoiding it could be the key to your success. 1. Pick the right topic. Success starts with picking the right topic, one that hits 3 key things. You're interested in it, because you'll be writing about it a lot. There's an audience for it, because without readers, your blog doesn't grow. There's potential to earn, because passion is great, but income helps it grow. Avoid being too broad, like lifestyle or travel. Instead, go specific. For example, instead of fitness, try at-home workouts for busy moms. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to build a loyal audience. Still unsure? Ask yourself, can I write 20 articles on this topic? Are people searching for this on Google? Are there products or services in this space? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. 2. Set up your blog. You don't need to be a tech expert to start a blog. Start with a reliable platform like WordPress.org, not to be confused with WordPress.com. With WordPress.org, you have full control. Pair it with a trusted hosting provider like SiteGround or Bluehost. They're beginner-friendly and affordable. Next, pick a domain name, short, easy to remember, and related to your niche. Install a clean theme, avoid clutter. Your blog should be fast and mobile-friendly. Set up basic pages, like about, contact, and privacy policy. Add an SEO plugin like Rank Math or Yoast to help your content rank better on search engines. At this stage, don't waste time designing a perfect site. Focus on functionality and content. You can always tweak the look later. 3. Create valuable content. Content is what makes or breaks your blog. Before you write, ask yourself, what problem is my post solving? People don't read blogs just to be entertained, they're looking for answers. Whether it's how to lose belly fat or best coffee makers under $100, your job is to help them. Here's how to structure a blog post that works. Start strong. The intro should tell the reader exactly what they'll get and why it matters. Break it into sections. Use headers and short paragraphs. People skim. Add real value. Include tips, data, examples, or personal experience. End with a call to action. Ask a question, link to another post, or invite them to comment. 4. Get traffic without paying for ads. Now you have a blog. But how do you get people to read it? Here's what works, and doesn't cost a dime. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. Every blog post should target a keyword people are searching for. Use SEO tools like Google Keyword Planner to find low competition keywords. Then use those keywords in your title, headers, and meta description, naturally. 2. Pinterest is more of a search engine than a social platform. Create pins for your blog posts and link back to your site. It can drive serious traffic if used right. 3. Answer questions. Online sites like Quora and Reddit are filled with people asking things related to your niche. Answer them, and drop a helpful link to your blog post. 5. How blogs make money. Blogging can absolutely be a source of income, but only if you treat it like a business. Here are 4 ways most successful blogs earn money. Ads. Once you have consistent traffic, you can apply for ad networks like Google AdSense or Ezoic. The more people visit your blog, the more you earn. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you use and love. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Impact. When someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. Digital products, ebooks, guides, courses, templates. Once created, they can earn passive income over and over again. Sponsored posts. Once your blog has authority, brands may pay you to feature their product or write about their service. The key to earning is trust. Only promote what truly helps your audience. People can tell when you're being honest, and they'll come back because of it. Conclusion. If you're still watching, you're already ahead of most people. You're serious. You're ready. Now it's time to take the first step. Pick your topic. Set up your site. Write your first post. Just start. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's thinking about starting a blog. And make sure to subscribe, because I'll be posting more videos like this, where we break down real strategies that actually work.